How to create image scrolling video in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application on your device. Click on create new project and select a photo or video which you want to create as an image scrolling. Here I have taken a collage. Then after, what you need to do is simply click on overlay option. Add the same collage as an overlay and make it a duplicate. Simply create 3 layers. Once the 3 layer has been created, add keyframe in the middle of each layer. After that, now you need to go to the end and start of each clip and arrange the pattern of the video as you like to scroll the image in the video. After that, you can see the results. Once you have added the keyframe according to your desire, it will appear in this way. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.